Assalamualaikum and hi. In this video, we are going to present about a Java program designed to calculate electricity bills by providing a structured and interactive menu-driven interface for users. It allows the user to input energy consumption in units and perform detailed calculations for components such as total electricity tariff, SST, which is sales and service tax, and KWTBB, which is kumpulan wang tenaga boleh baharu, a renewable energy charge. The program utilizes multiple helper classes and for modularity, where each class is responsible for specific tasks like displaying menus, accepting user input, calculating tariffs, and computing additional charges. It validates user inputs, ensuring that calculations only proceed once the energy units are entered, and handles errors by displaying appropriate message for invalid menu selections.
Okay, this coding is for four main method that name for TNB.java. Okay, first we put the scanner input, then we declare the selection. We declare that for ANT. So the selection is for the menu option. Then next, we go to the next line. We declare the variable. We declare as the data type double. Then we use a do for repetition to make it run one more time first. Okay, this Ilyas display menu we display the menu for output. Then user will input the number and choose between 1 to 3 from the menu. If user input the selection is 1, it means the user input the unit they wanted to calculate. This is for as if input selection is 2. This meaning the user input the selection 2 before put the unit. Recording we print please enter your unit first. So it means user must input the unit first before the calculation. Okay, we go to the next. As this is for the calculation. All this for the calculation and print. Okay, next we go to the display result. Okay, here you all display the result: total electricity, SST, KWTBB, and total bill. As if user input the number is 3, it will exit the program. So we will output exiting the program, and thank you for using the program. Else, if this for the error message when user input other than 1 to other number than 1 to 3, and this one will print the invalid selection. Okay, next we go here. 1 selection not equal 3, so that input dot close. So that's all.
Okay, so this is the method to display the menu. We have to print out the output, which is the menu, enter units, calculate bill, exit, and then the last one, which is enter your choice.
Okay, now I will explain this. This one for method don't have a what input unit. So this one system out enter how much unit use. This is a prompt for then this here for the user input, and here with the recorded the unit user input. So we return unit.
This is the method for calculating TNB electricity bill. First, we declare the variable of total electricity and unit left as a class variable and the data type is double. Then we use array to store the rates for each tariff block. 0.218 is for the first tariff, 0.334 is for the second tariff, 0.516 is for the third tariff, 0.546 is for the fourth tariff, 0.571 is for the fifth tariff. Here we use if-else statement to calculate the total electricity according to the user input. For the first rent tariff block, only the first 200 unit is charged. Then we have the second rent tariff block, electricity that exceed 200 but limited to 100 units only. After that, we have the third rent tariff block, electricity usage exceeding 300 units but limited to 300 units only. Besides, we have the fourth rent tariff block, which is electricity consumption exceeding 600 but limited to 300 units only. Lastly, we have the fifth rent tariff block, which is electricity consumption exceeding 900 units will be charged here and there is no limit in this level. To calculate the total electricity, we take the user input, which is units, and we time it with the rate according to the block. For example, the first rent tariff block, we take the user input and times it with the rate of 0.218, which is the first array element. For the others, we just take the fully used electricity from the previous block and we time it with the rate. Then we have the unit left, which will be used when calculating SST.
Okay, so for the method which is to calculate the SST, we have to first declare the variable of calculate SST as a class variable with the data type of double, while also declaring the value of units and unit left. Then we have to declare the SST as double and equal to 0. Then we put if units greater than 601, SST equals to 0.06 multiplied by unit left. After that, we have to put return SST to return the SST value.
Okay, now I will explain this one. This for the method, we don't use a void. Okay, now this is a name, so this is a variable. Okay, now we declare first double KWTBB. If a unit more than 301, so you go through the calculation. KWTBB 0.016 times total electricity. This is for calculation. And then we return the KWTBB.
This is the method for calculating the total bill. First, we declare the type of the total bill, which is double, because we want the output to have the decimal output. Then we have the formula, which is total electricity plus SST plus KWTBB. Then we return the value of the total bill. Here we have the parameter of total electricity as double, SST as double, and KWTBB as double.
Okay, now this is for output. So first, menu, enter the unit, calculate bill, and exit. So this one, when user input the choice 1, so then user will input the unit. So here the recorded unit. So here user will input the 2 for the calculate bill. So you calculate. So now you go here. User input the 3. So we'll exit the program and thank you for using. If user enter the choice 4, so it will go to invalid selection. Okay, this for the user enter 2 before the enter the unit, so it will output this. Please enter your unit first.